So this screencast is going to help you set up the software that we are going to be using for my IT classes this semester. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to install Java. There is a package called TypeVNC that we're going to be using, but it requires Java. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to the Mighty Installer nighty-night.com. N-I-N-I-T, whoops, got an extra N there. So it's NINITE.com. This basically is an easy way to install things. So right now what I need to do is I need to install, if I come down here, I need to install the Java Runtime Library. So that will get our Java Runtime Library working. I'm just scanning this to see if there are other things that we need to install. And sure enough, we have WinSCP and PuTTY. Those are two other things that we need to install. So we are going to check those. Then I'll get my installer. And it will download an installer for me that installs those three for me automatically. So then I'm going to do this night thing here. It will run the setup program that will go ahead and install those things. So it looks like here we are preparing our setup and downloading everything. Then we will install everything. So we just need to wait for it to finish here. And now it's downloading Java. Here it comes. I'm doing this from home, so it's not quite as fast as doing it from the college, but at least it gives you a better idea as to what's going on dealing with these things from home. So it looks like it's downloaded Java. Now it's installing Java. Haven't touched a key now. It just automatically installs all these programs that I've checked by a default installation, and it gets rid of all of the nifty little toolbars that it tries to put in Chrome and Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. So this is a really easy, nice way to get programs installed. It was designed so that basically you just set it and then you go nighty-night, and then when you wake up in the morning you've got all of the programs installed that you wanted. I use nighty-night all the time to pre-install all of the software that I like to use for my clients. So it's a really good thing to get used to. It makes life a whole lot easier. Before the days of night-night, basically what you would have to do is install each of these all individually, come back every half an hour to check to see if any of these are ready. And at this point it looks like we've installed Java. It's going after WinSCP now. And it looks like it also got PuTTY, and we are done. So that should be all that we need for that. Now the last piece of the puzzle is the TypeVNC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to www.typevnc.com, and I'm going to go here to this Download Now link. And I don't want the standard edition for Windows. What I want is the Java edition. So if I click right here into the Java edition, it will come down. Looks like it's done. So I will click here, and I need to extract everything. And I am going to extract things to, you would probably want to put it on your drive U. I'm going to put it here in TypeVNC on my drive C. So I'm going to extract everything in that directory, and there it is. If I want to run it, then basically all I have to do, since I've already installed Java, is click right here, and then it should give me the TypeVNC connection. So if you see this window, that means you've installed Java and TypeVNC correctly. If you have icons here on the screen for PuTTY, then that's PuTTY and it's working. And WinSCP is right here and it's working. So those are the three things that we are going to be using. When you get those installed, then you're ready to go ahead and start installing virtual machines from home. So this concludes this screencast of how to get your software set up for the rest of the semester.